Igbo kwenu?
Yeah.
America kwenu?
Yeah.
Ndị ojii niile nọ n'ụwa kwezonu?
Yeah.
Ndị be anyị, I'm ekele unu. I'm with ChukwunonsoCaptures. Hey, what's good, my people? How y'all doing? My name is ChukwunonsoCaptures, aka Mazi. Chakum, aka the digital makeup artist, and you're tuned in for another episode of the Igbo Name of the Day. And so you already know why we do this. Come on, say it with me. We do this to keep our tongues fluent, keep the language alive, and help our brothers and sisters in the diaspora continue to understand their roots. We're gonna give them back their identity, starting with their names. All right, so shout out to Miss Omachukwu. Should I give it up for her? All right, so shout out to Miss Omachukwu. So Miss Omachukwu, thanks for sending in your name for today's Igbo Name of the Day. So I'm gonna translate that name for everybody, right? So Miss Omachukwu, Miss Oma means like good deeds or good doings, because that root word Oma means good, and Ime means like doing, like, you know, Ime, like to do things, right? So Miss Oma means like good things, good deeds, goodness, right? And Chukwu means God. So you put those two together, Miss Omachukwu, that means God's goodness, right? Everything good about God. Miss Omachukwu's names give them the power to be very appreciative, grateful, and thankful for what they have. They're free spirits, and they're usually the glue that holds a lot of social groups together. Tag and share this video with all the Miss Omachukwus that you know. Thanks. All right, so did I get the translation right? How'd you like the video? Let me know in the comment section down below. I look forward to hearing what you have to say. So thanks a lot. All the engagement goes a really long way. It helps the YouTube algorithm. Likes, comments, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you would like to see more of this content. Hit the bell button to get a notification anytime I post a new video, right? And also remember to share this video with a friend who might be interested in these types of topics. Thanks for tuning into these and watching me talk about Igbo names and highlight things about Igbo culture and Igbo names. If you'd like to know more about Nigerian Igbo culture, hit me up. My IG is in the description below. And if you would like me to highlight your Igbo name, if you're Igbo, let me know. Hit my DM and I will highlight your Igbo name and let everyone know what your Igbo name means and the personal traits and characteristics and things like that, that usually come along with your name. So if you want your name featured, you can do that. If you do not have an Igbo name, I can gift you one. Let me know the personal characteristics that you have, and I will be able to basically tell you what your name would be if you were Igbo. All right. I know there's a lot of people who are interested in learning more about their African ancestry, so I think this is a great way to do this. Please let me know if you'd like to know more about Nigerian culture. Thanks a lot. Take care, and I will see you in the next video.